Hey everyone, Techni here. What I'd like to talk about today is urBeats3 earbuds. Alright, now before we go any further, let's just make this clear, right? Because I know there's somebody out there that just wants to go, man, Beats? Man, just get down to the comment section and start trash talking them, right? Don't get me wrong. I used to have Beats back in the days, when they were overpriced, this, that, and the other. They were all this hype, and just this massive trend. And sure, I do not think they were worth the money back then, right? But again, just watch this video, hear me out here, because these things are fantastic. So inside your box, of course, you're gonna get your headphones, right? You're gonna get some paperwork over here, a sticker, quick start guide, all that stuff. Then you get this right here, which your paperwork will be inserted in there. Then you can get 3 different ear tip sizes. So in total, you're gonna have 4. The headset is gonna have a set on them, and then you have the other 3 right in here, if you can see right there. Now, one thing I want to point out while we just went over the stuff that came in a box, well, I kind of want to point that out to you. I don't know if any of us has used Beats back in the days, or even some of their higher end ones these days, right? I feel like there's so much fluff and money put into their boxes, and what I really like about this, when I opened it up, I said, okay, so we might have a solid product here, but we're not getting one of these real fluffy boxes, this hard cardboard that's opened up, magnetized, and all this goofy stuff. I don't care about the box. I'm not buying the box. I'm buying the product. And that really shocked me here, because I bought Beats before, again, and it had these super fancy boxes. Again, we're to the point right here. All right, now let's talk about the headphones. Now, these guys come in at $49, and that's on Amazon, Best Buy, anywhere. I think it varies as far as you go Lightning or 3.5. As you see right here, I got the 3.5 version, but again, it does come in a Lightning, but that's only going to, limit you to Apple products. This you can use across anything, which I was looking for, like gaming, or again, using it editing on my Apple product. But again, I'm not restricted just to Apple products. So I highly advise you going with the 3.5 and not the Lightning. Now, I don't know if you can see this on camera, but the cable is that flat kind of cord. It's not the rounded, so it's pretty nice. It doesn't tangle on you much. It does kind of hold the bend here and there. You kind of got to straighten it out a bit, but over time, it works out pretty good. You do have control on it right here. Your mute, track skip, all that, and there is a mic on the back. And then we have our headphones right here, right? Which are just super nice. I don't know how well you guys will be able to catch that in the camera. There you go. Can you guys see how it goes in at the angle? Perfect. Right there. So you see how that goes in? So it's really nice. If you get some earbuds that just go straight, they're kind of going to sit in there and then eventually fall out, you know what I mean? But these guys, you can actually get in, push on the back, and they're going to tuck up in you. And they are super cozy. They have not fallen out of me once. I mean, you just sit in there and they are absolutely perfect. One other really cool feature about these guys right here is the earbuds are magnetized. So it's pretty cool. They're just dangling out there. Like I said, they just connect right in there like that. So it's kind of cool if you're out and about, say you got your Switch or your phone or whatever, put it right there, bam, and they're going to stay right there instead of dangling and hitting the ground and getting tangled up with everything else. So really cool feature. Sounds kind of minor, but again, I think it's really helpful, especially if you're out in town, right? You don't want your headphones, dragging around on the ground or anything like that. Gaming performance, and how did they fare? And they were absolutely fantastic across the board. I tested them on Xbox, Nintendo Switch, PlayStation 4, and PC, and across the board they were absolutely fantastic. I even did some editing with them on my Apple products and they sounded great. Now the sound across the board from, again, Xbox to PC, they sounded fantastic. A lot of us probably think Beats as being this massive, muddy, just overdone on bass headsets, right? Which, yes, I have some of the old ones. I think they're Solos or something, and that's how they sound. And I paid a pretty penny for them, right? Which I regret, because sure, there's tons of other headphones out there that are better than that, right? Where you don't have to spend $100-something on a pair of Beats, right? You can spend half the price and get something just as good, if not better. And when I say that, I use Klipsch. I'm probably saying that completely wrong. Klipsch? Klipsch? I'm not too sure how to say it. But anyways, I've used Klipsch earbuds before. That sounds so funny. I know I'm saying that wrong. Anyways, I've used them before, and I have 2 pairs of these. And I used to use these when I played PS4 a whole lot, or my Switch, or again, editing, but I just stumbled across these. I wanted to give them a shot. And they honestly blew me away. They kind of made me tuck these away here. And I used to love these guys. I'm not saying these are bad by any means, but I think the Beats overtake them. But again, back to that sound quality where we all kind of have the vision in our head of Beats being these overdone just bass headsets or headphones, whatever, you know what I mean? Sure, these things got some rumble in them, but that's not overtaking it. All the sounds come out, from the mids to the highs to the lows. It's just perfect. And again, across the board of every device, all you have to do is plug in a 3.5 and you are set. And the main place I use them is, yes, my Switch, because I take it in the car or just take it on the go, or even playing in bed, because who wants a big old clunky headset on your head when you're laying in bed, right? You get these little guys, tuck them in there, there, and you are set to go. And again, talking about that other feature, so cool. You're playing your Switch out, bam, set it down, bring it around the back, and you're just connected right there, so they're not going to hit the floor or dangle around or anything. It's just so fantastic across the board. The other cool thing, as you all can see, I like black and red quite a bit, right? But these guys come in a variety of colors, from yellow to blue to white to all black, you know? So it's really cool. It can match your accessories or your personality, right? It's just so cool to have those options. And I'm sure we all own a pair of earbuds, right? A lot of us are probably using the ones that came with our phone, Apple earbuds or anything like that, right? Me personally, I don't like them. They're not comfortable. They sound very high pitched. I just don't like them, you know what I mean? So you can't go wrong having one good solid set of earbuds out there, right? And again, we're all going on a trip, throw them in your bag. You don't really got to worry about them, you know? Because again, we don't want to lug around some big, gigantic, goofy looking headset on the road, you know? Now, if there's one thing you can take out of this video here, I would like you just to squash the hate on Beats, right? Let's just get rid of that. Let's jump off that bandwagon, right? Because I think that's, again, with any product, at their higher end stuff, I don't even want to say their higher end stuff, maybe their fluffier stuff, you know what I mean? They can say all this fluff or anything. Again, and I still think Beats does that, right? Like some of their $300 sets, I think you get a $150 headset that's just as good, if not better, for half that price. But again, I think that's with everything. That's with gaming headsets. It's kind of like where I class Astro. Sure, they're fantastic headsets and everything, but still, I think you can pay half the price and get something just as good, if not better, than an Astro gaming headset, you know? So again, like I said, let's just squash the beef on hating Beats. And like I said, if you're looking for a pair of earbuds, give them a shot. I don't think you'll be disappointed at all. Now, hey, thank you so much for watching this one. If you liked it, hit that thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for some future tech videos. Hey, I hope I catch you in the next one. Bye now.